In this video, we'll show you how to replace the side view mirror on your Honda Pilot. This is located on the outside of the vehicle and attached to the door. Let's get started. Behind the driver's door handle, we have a small panel here. We're going to push down on the tab at the top. We can pull that out, set that off to the side. And we have two Phillips head screws. We'll remove those. And we have one more Phillips head screw right underneath the armrest. With our screws removed, we can reach behind the door panel and start popping it out. You're going to find where the tension is from each clip and pull. Now we can pull up on the door panel. Now it's okay to let this hang on the cables, and we can access our panel to get to the mirror. Go ahead and just pull this off. We can get to our three 10mm nuts. We can go ahead and remove these 10mm nuts. Before loosening the last one, you want to hold on to the mirror. Before removing our last bolt and pulling the mirror off, we want to undo the connector and press in on the tab. It can help to push in on the connector while pressing it on the tab. Make sure you check any terminals for corrosion or damage. And we can go ahead and remove our 10mm nut. And we can start to work the mirror out. And there we have it. When installing your mirror, make sure that you are cautious not to damage the wiring harness at all. Line up the studs. You want to hold it on until you have your hardware on. And we can snug those down. We can plug in our connector. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Reinstall our upper trim piece. Go ahead and reinstall our door panel. With the top set in, we can start pushing in our clips. Make sure the door panel is fully set down, and we can reinstall our screws. We'll install the two screws behind the door handle. And we can reinstall the cover. Make sure that's set down. Once you have the mirror installed, make sure you test it. Make sure it works in all directions.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.